Hello everyone, welcome to Season 3 of Better English. As I've said before, in this very connected world, we are very often still separated by language. Even though many people speak English, they speak English with different accents, different pronunciations, and even different vocabulary. Today we're going to look at some pairs of words that cause English speakers, as well as speakers of other languages, difficulties. This is not because they are very complicated, it's just simply because they look the same. The homophone bear can be an adjective or a verb. As an adjective, it means uncovered. So you can say, it was winter. The branches were bare. This means they had no leaves. The doctor asked him to bare his arm for the vaccination. In this case, it means uncover. All the furniture was gone. Only the bare bones of our home remained. This means that everything was gone and only the very least amount of things was left. The other meaning of bear means to carry, support, put up with. For example, I can't bear that noise. It's too loud. Or, I didn't know if the bridge would bear my weight. I didn't know if the bridge would carry my weight. And an idiom. I had to grin and bear it, which means I had to put a good face on and look as if I didn't mind. To grin and bear it. You've already heard one idiom. There are a couple more that are useful. He built the house with his bare hands. That means he built the house with the bare minimum of tools and the bare minimum of help. Another example of bear as a verb is, finally, his work began to bear fruit, began to carry fruit, began to produce fruit, began to be successful. And the last one, many US citizens believe in the right to bear arms. This means they believe that they have a right to carry arms, to have weapons with them. And the last pair for this video that you often see confused are the pair loose and lose. These are not homophones. They sound different. But they are often confused by English native speakers when they're spelt. So the first one, lose, rhymes with news and snooze. The S sounds like a Z. Lose, lose. Let's look more closely. If you eat a lot, it's hard to lose weight. It's very dark, so it's easy to lose your way. It's very easy to lose money on the stock market. The second of the pair, loose, is an adjective. The leash broke, and now the dog is loose. A few loose sheets of paper were lying around. Loose talk causes trouble. So, these are not homophones. They do sound rather alike. Lose and loose. But lose is a verb and loose is mostly an adjective. If you like this channel and find it useful, please give it a thumbs up and also click the subscription button down here and the notification bell so that you can be notified when I post a new video. You can also make a donation to the channel by PayPal by clicking on the link that's down in the description over here. I hope to see you here again soon. Bye bye.